We know that some people are very sensitive to certain content and that some content is more controversial than others. So it's likely that you've received more than one negative comment, and sometimes it's better for your mental health to disable comments on some WordPress posts. Another situation where you may want to disable comments on your posts is if you have thousands of comments on each post. Your server may become so slow that your readers and visitors will not have a good experience with the loading of your page. As we know, WordPress allows us to enable or disable comments one by one if we go to the discussion section of each post and check or uncheck this box. But if you want to disable comments only for some posts, you need to use a PHP snippet, which for some people may be a bit confusing. To help you with this problem, we want to show you how to quickly disable comments for hundreds of WordPress posts using the Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Type Spreadsheet plugin. With it, you can apply the changes in the spreadsheet directly or with the bulk editing tool it offers. You'll find a link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you can find the link to our written guide. If you want to disable comments only for some of your posts, you can do it individually. To do this, you have to go to the comments column and simply uncheck the box you'll find there. Finally, save the changes. This option is also very useful if you need to disable the comments of the posts that don't share any parameter to be filtered and edited in bulk. Now let's learn how to filter the posts, so that we can edit only the necessary ones. To do this, open the search tool. Once the tool is open, you'll see different options to filter your posts such as by keyword, author, category, tag, format, and you can even enable the advanced filters for more search options. In this case, we'll search for posts containing the keyword fashion, that were created by Matthew Jones, and belong to the trend category. So we only have to enter the parameters in the corresponding fields. And then run the search. To disable comments on the filtered posts, you'll need to use the bulk edit tool. Then select to edit the rows from the current search. Choose the comments field. Select set value. Now leave this box empty so that no comments can be left on the selected posts. Finally, execute. As you have seen, it is very easy to disable comments on your posts by keyword, author, category or tag. You don't need to use any code, and you can save many hours thanks to the WP Sheet Editor plugin. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the links to download the plugins in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.